Now we are on part 8 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. As you may recall from previous video, search engine marketing revolves around campaigns that increase your brand's visibility. To make the most of your campaign, consider retargeting potential customers. Retargeting involves targeting people who have visited your website and performed a specific action, such as visiting a certain page, abandoning their cart, making a purchase, or downloading something. You have the power to define the action you want your audience to take, which will determine who you retarget. In essence, retargeting campaigns are a great option for optimizing your search engine marketing campaigns and bringing potential customers back to your website. By configuring your retargeting campaign based on specific behavior on your website, you can effectively target those who have already shown interest in your brand and pull them back to your website for further engagement. This is a well-crafted ad that utilizes all available features. For instance, it uses 3 headlines, which is the maximum allowed by Google, to convey the message, "Get certified, get ahead." Additionally, the ad has 2 description lines, each of which can have up to 90 characters. It's important to take advantage of all the features that the platform offers to create a compelling ad. The ad examples presented showcase different types of ads that can be used for advertising purposes. In one example, 3 headlines and 2 description lines are utilized to provide more information to the viewer. In another example, a banner ad for Slack is shown, while a Betterment.com ad is displayed on YouTube. The video ad on YouTube can be skipped after a few seconds, while the other examples include an image ad and a text ad. The choice of ad format will depend on the platform used for advertising. What I appreciate about Facebook is that they provide numerous asset options to choose from, allowing you to run various types of ads. For instance, you can choose to run a single image ad, a carousel with multiple images, a video ad, or a combination of video and image ads. Additionally, you have the option to run a text ad with a thumbnail. This means that you have plenty of choices when it comes to ad formats. Before we move on to the next channel, let me show you an example of how an ad appears on a specific website. In this example, we can see an ad for Volkswagen Golf on a BuzzFeed news website in Spanish. It's possible that they used Google for another platform to display their ad on this site. The ad appears as a banner. If you're setting up a text ad in Google Ads, it's important to maximize the use of the available characters. Text ads have limited space, so it's important to make every word count in order to effectively convey your message. Google provides a final URL where users will land after clicking on an ad, but the real opportunity lies in the 3 headlines that can be utilized. For instance, if the goal is to address child hunger, you can use all 3 headlines to convey a message such as "Help stop child hunger today. Visit our website for more info." However, since the character limit for a headline is only 30, it is essential to be aware of the limit and express your message as concisely as possible while still being effective. Writing text ads within the character limit can be challenging, so it is crucial to take advantage of every opportunity to convey your message. Here's something exciting. Google provides the display path option where you can add a few keywords after the domain, and you also have the description line 1 and 2. It's important to take advantage of all available options and use relevant copy. If you're unsure about what to write, you can try copying information from the website. The goal is to create informative and comprehensive ads. Google Ads also offer extensions, which are additional features that can be added to your text ad. In this example, you can observe that I have included 4 site links as ad extensions, which are just one of the many types of extensions that Google Ads provide. Other extensions include callouts, location, and app extensions. It's important to utilize these extensions to make a convincing argument for your product or service, as the ultimate goal of ads is to encourage people to click on them and take the desired action on your website. Let's now shift our focus to affiliate marketing, which is a distinct and fascinating form of marketing. The crux of affiliate marketing lies in paying out commissions, and to whom are these commissions paid? They are paid to website owners, publishers, or individuals who own websites with a significant amount of content or have the ability to draw in a large number of users. The main objective in affiliate marketing is to locate websites that are suitable for promoting your product or service. The individuals who promote your product or service will receive a commission or incentive based on the action you establish, such as registering for an email, signing up, or making a purchase. The desired action can differ depending on the product, such as getting help with the registrations, selling a product, or increasing subscriptions. In affiliate marketing, you have the power to decide on the type of incentives you want to offer to your affiliates and how much commission you want to pay them. This aspect of affiliate marketing is similar to having a sales team that you can rely on. To get started with affiliate marketing, you first need to choose a suitable affiliate platform from the various options available. To find affiliates or partners, you can use platforms like Commission Junction or CJ.com. These platforms act as brokers and help you connect with potential affiliates. Once you have set up your platform, you'll need to establish rules and guidelines as well as provide images, banners, and other assets for your affiliates to use on their website. This is important because it will ensure that your brand is being represented consistently and effectively across all of your affiliates' websites. All affiliates may not receive the same commission. You could offer higher commission rates to top affiliates. All of these details and guidelines are established on the affiliate platform that you select, such as Commission Junction or CJ.com. After setting up your platform, you will post images, banners, and other assets for affiliates to use on their website. Affiliates will apply to advertise your product or service, and you will use the platform to approve or disapprove their requests. It's important to make the most of the platform's features to ensure successful affiliate marketing. Choosing the right affiliates is crucial as they aim to make money, and you want to ensure they represent your brand, product, or service well. When a customer clicks an ad or link on an affiliate's website and performs an action, such as making a purchase, registering, subscribing, downloading, or signing up for emails, it is recorded by the affiliate network. The commission junctions like CJ not only track the traffic from the affiliate's website to your website, but also record the conversions. Affiliate marketing involves paying commissions to website owners or publishers who promote your product or service. You set the rules and guidelines for the platform and determine how much to incentivize the affiliates. To get started, you can use affiliate platforms such as Commission Junction to find potential partners. After setting up your platform, you can approve or disapprove requests from affiliates to advertise on your behalf. The goal is to choose the best affiliates who will represent your brand well. Once a customer clicks on an ad or link on an affiliate's website and performs a desired action on your website, the affiliate is credited and paid a commission. The more an affiliate sells or converts on your behalf, the more they earn. An example of affiliate marketing is an advertisement offering up to 12% advertising fees for joining a trusted e-commerce leader. There are several affiliate marketing tools available in addition to Commission Junction, such as Amazon Associates, WinTrade, Dobler, and Max Bounty. It's worth exploring these other platforms as well, and there's no harm in being on multiple platforms at once. When you're on a platform, it serves as a middleman and helps you connect with potential affiliates. When you pay an affiliate a commission, they receive a portion of the amount. You should try working with a couple of affiliates and assess if they are bringing in quality leads and making sales. If they are, that's great. But if not, you can switch to another affiliate network. The most important thing is to select affiliates who will represent your brand, product, or service effectively because they will be the ones that generate conversions for you. If you are a small business starting out and need assistance, affiliate marketing is an effective solution. Now, let's discuss native advertising. This type of advertising involves placing ads next to content that is relevant to the ad's topic, and the ads are not explicitly labeled as paid content. An example of this is a paid post by Spotify and BuzzFeed, which likely appeared alongside a music-related news article discussing the impact of Led Zeppelin on modern brands. Native advertising involves placing an advertisement next to content that naturally fits, without it being obviously paid for. For instance, Spotify uses native advertising to put their ad next to content related to their ad, like a BuzzFeed article in the music. This way, the ad is seamlessly integrated with the content. Another example is an ad about Led Zeppelin placed next to a BuzzFeed article on a great Amazon deals for audio files. The key to native advertising is ensuring a connection between the ad and the article. Spotify is promoting their product or service in a BuzzFeed article that discusses music, which is an example of native advertising. Another example of native advertising is the HBO ad placed on BuzzFeed's TV and movies section, where readers are more likely to see ads related to the content they're viewing. Native advertising involves placing ads in a contextually relevant manner alongside content. To ensure effective native advertising, you must select the appropriate pages to place your ad on. This requires a network to accomplish. As we discussed, Google Ads and paid search advertising enable you to place your ad naturally on specific relevant pages. Essentially, native advertising involves placing your ad alongside content that fits naturally. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 9.